Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon imageClass LBP122dw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check out PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Canon imageClass LBP122dw printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Open the first link, support then your printer name. Open the whatever first link is. And first link is open. Here we find our printer name imageClass LBP122dw. Here we find driver and software. If it's not clicked, then click at here. After that, here we find driver. Here we find the operating system. If it's not detect your operating system right, in this case, it did not detect my operating system right, then click at here. And here we find Windows 10. Plain Windows 10 means 32-bit. And if Windows 10 64-bit, then click on the Windows 10 X export. I click on that and it's automatically refresh these boxes. And here we find the our drivers. Here we find our drivers. Click on that driver and it's redirect you to the another web page. Click on the download and here we find the generic plus. Here we find the our drivers are downloaded on the top. Okay, download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and this setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Go to your file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extract, unzip our files on our desktop, double click on it. And here we find driver, double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer and scanners, click on add a printer or scanner, click on add a printer and scanner, wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed, click on that, click on the yes, close it. Here you find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation, click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you find, select any USB port, click on the next. Here you find hardix, click on hardix, go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find one extracted file or unzip file, double click on it. Here we find driver, double click on the driver. Here we find one single file, select that file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find the Canon generic plus UFR double 2. That this is the our actually drivers. These drivers are work with our printer name Canon imageClass LBP122dw. Okay, select that and click on the next. You any name that you like. I give Canon imageClass LBP122dw. You can give any name that you like. I go with this name. You can give any name and click on the next. It's installing our printer on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for few seconds or few minutes to install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. After installation is complete, we go to our next step. Our installation is complete. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check out printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. In a printers and scanner, if you find your printer name Canon imageClass LBP122dw, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.